Welcome to Kaithozil channel. Today in our channel we are going to see a ear warmer. So for this you need woolen thread, and I am using 3.5 mm size crochet needle and a measuring tape. Come, let's start the section. See, in this pattern we are going to do front post single crochets and single crochets together. It's a nice pattern. You can use it in many designs. So I am showing it as a model by putting as a ear warmer. So first make a slip knot and make up to 70 chains. So for my required length I am using the 70 chains. You can make up to your required length. You can extend the chains. See, I had made 70 chains. Here I have double up the work so that it will be, we are using it like this, and make a measurement. So one side we will have 9 inches. Under the double side I will be having 18 inches, or you can make it up to your measured length. After doing this 70 chains, now we are going to start our first row. Make one chain extra, and then the second chain make a single crochet. See, yarn over it and pull through it. That's it. So this is our single crochet. So insert the needle in the chain, yarn over it, and pull through the 2 loops. That is our single crochets. So make it fully. In each chain we are going to do one single crochets. So do it around the 70 chains. See, I made my first row, and then also I am making one single crochet. See, this is my first row of single crochet. So now I am going to fold it to 2 sides and then join the edges. See, I am folding it and make a slip stitch at the top of the first chain, so that we will be joining the edges like this. Make a slip stitch here. Okay. So for the bottom stitch also there will be a starting yarn. You slip stitch the starting yarn with that bottom part and join it. So like this. So I join the 2 ends. Now I am going to do my second row. For that, make one chain, and then first leave this same stitch, and in the next stitch make one single crochet, and in the next stitch you have to do one front post single crochet. See, insert the needle in the stitches like this, insert the needle at the back of the stitch like this, and then yarn over the needle, pull through this, and then yarn over the needle and leave the 2 loops. That is our front post single crochet. See, in the next stitch we are going to do one single crochet, and in the next stitch we are going to do one front post single crochet. We are going to do it alternatively: single crochet and one front post single crochet, single crochet and front post single crochet. See, like this. After doing this front post single crochet, there will be a gap. Don't do it in that gap. Make it in the next single crochet. See, the pattern will be coming like this. See, after this front post, After this front post, make a single crochet in the next stitch and do the front post single crochet in the next alternative next stitch itself. See, like this, like this. So you have to repeat it fully for the second round. See, I finished it with a slip stitch. Finished my first round with a slip stitch. Second round. For my third round, see, one chain. Now first we have to start with a front post single crochet. See, in the previous round we have done the single crochet, right? There we have to do one front post single crochet. Yeah, alternatively we have to do. And then the next stitch you do one single crochet here, and then do one front post single crochet in the next stitch. Then one single crochet in the next stitch, one front post single crochet in the next stitch. Like this you have to do it. We have to change it alternatively for each rows and each rounds. So you have to repeat this pattern in this third round fully. So at the end I am doing a slip stitch and finishing my third round. See, I have made my third round. Then do the slip stitch at the top of the chain. So now I am going to do my fourth round. For this I have to repeat my second row pattern. See, one chain and then do one single crochet in the first stitch. That is in the previous round where we have done our front post single crochet. Above that we have to do one single crochet, and then again the next stitch we have to do one front post single crochet and one single crochet and one front post single crochet. Like this you have to do it alternatively. So make it fully this round also. At the end of this row, join it with a slip stitch. Yeah, first it will twist it, don't worry, later on it will be okay. If you extend the pattern, there won't be any twist in it. So I had finished my fourth row and with the slip stitch. So it will be looking like this. We have to extend it so you will get a nice pattern. And for your fifth row, make one chain and repeat your third row pattern. First do the front post single crochet and then do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. See here, do 1 single crochet and then do 1 front post single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Like this you have to continue this row fully. End with a slip stitch. So you have to continue this pattern. See, for I had done up to row 9, so you have to repeat this row 2 and row 3 continuously. So I made it up to row 9. See, you will be getting the pattern. So it will be like this, like a comb stitch. It will be like a comb stitch. So now for your 10th row, make 1 chain and do 1 single crochets around that. To make a perfect edging, we are doing this. Make 1 single crochets. For row 10 and row 11, do this. So like this, you have to repeat it. So like this you do it, and at the end join with a slip stitch. For 2 rows I have done this single crochet round and then finish it off. See, at the bottom also, if your edges are not correct, you can make another single crochet round. We had started with a single crochet round, 1 single crochet round. If you want, you can do another single crochet round at the bottom. So I am doing 1 single crochet at the bottom. So like this you continue. In every stitch you do 1 single crochets. So like this you continue. See, I have finished this row also. Finish it off and trim the excess in the pattern itself, like this. So I trim the edges here. See, I have made my ear warmer. See, it is well fitted for the kids. See how it's nicely, it's looking like a comb stitch. So there are further more videos available in my channel. To watch it, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.